it had become a practice in Parliament. Those committee people, they were in some committees. Then they would tell public servants who are bringing their budgets to be passed by those committees of yours. So if you don't pay, we shall not pass your budget. And the committees had to pay. But there was some patriotic person who said, I can't agree to this. That person came and reported. And we captured them red-handed, these young people. So I don't want to hear that again in Parliament. Do you agree, people? Do you agree? And I don't want to hear that people who are looking for offices are giving bribes. If we hear that, you will be disqualified from any office. It is a technical knockout. Lawyer, who is the Attorney General? If somebody is corrupt, can he qualify for an office or what?
Excellency, if one is found guilty of corruption, they would be disqualified from office for at least 10 years.
Yes, it's very serious. Not only removed from where you want, even you, the one who gives and the one who receives. The one who gives the bribe and the one who receives. So if somebody gives you money, please don't touch it. Don't let it like Sirani. Don't bring me bad luck. That money is Kamwaka. Do you know Kamwaka? Abaganda we bali wano. Ani Omuganda ddala. Omuganda ddala ali ludda wa. You money, report that person. And some people have reported to me. You don't know, I know so many things in this country. Some people have been offered money. Money for what? Some of the people have said, for what? And they report. So don't remove corruption from Parliament. Stay in prison.
53.
53 days.
Yes.
Yes. Then we came and we talked, and she helped me. She's now an angel now.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Kati yafuka msosodoti. Okay, Namujju. The other boy, is it Akamba? There was another one.
Yes, Akamba and Mutembuli.
And the other one?
Mutembuli.
Where are they now?
They lost.
Oh, poor children. But Namujju is a very good mobilizer. So, thank you, Namujju. Tofayo.
You before I live here. I want to see you.
I will look for you.
Today.
Not today, I will look for you. Tofayo Namujju gendo ture.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Excellency.
So let's really get rid of corruption. This is a lot of money which we are sending down. If it is well used, it will change the country. So therefore, make sure that you, the new young people, don't get polluted with this smelly problem. If there are some pressures, because of the mistakes you get involved in, getting involved in things you don't understand very well. Don't get debts also. Don't borrow money from money lenders and from banks, you people. The young people were talking over Bangatiye. Indeed, Bangatiye, because he's there. I'm looking at something small for your swearing in. And something else later. So don't pollute yourselves. It's not necessary. We can have institutional solutions rather than corruption solutions. Where is Lakisa? Lakisa tie kwene. Lakisa Lakisa. Liters per day of milk. 150,000 liters per day. These are people who are in the bush here. So, all of you, first make sure your area enters the money economy with the chibaro. Then the intensification, what I is now saying, to grow the grass, do what, that will be added. But these people already have income. They already have income. They have built better houses. You saw Matongo there with the better house. They are educating children in the university. You can see that girl there speaking English. She's a graduate, I'm sure. So therefore, this is why the second reason why I bring you here. We shall work on the road, but this will come much later, after the area has already changed. Finally, you people don't repeat mistakes. I don't want to hear corruption in Parliament. I don't want to hear corruption in Parliament. Because if there is corruption in Parliament, how will you control the other people? Because you say you are oversight. If you, the oversight, are also sick, who will oversight you? It will kill Uganda. This is suicide. This is suicide. It must not be there. I arrested those young people. Namujju, she has been avoiding me. She has been avoiding me now. And she's my friend. Namujju mnange wanzirukako. Adiruda wa Namujju. Namujju. She's now hostile to me. She's coming. Oh, come on, Namujju.